If you need something custom, call Niecy Custom, she gon' get it done. Like and subscribe, you gon' have fun. Anything custom, she gon' get it done. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Welcome everybody. Welcome back to Niecy's Custom. Today I'm going to show you how to make that font pop. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and watch this video. After you finish watching this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe button and make us and share a comment in the comment section. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I know everybody's saying you ain't consistent, but guess what? I'm gonna be consistent now. You know why? Because my husband said that I need to be consistent because I always procrastinate, and that's what I'm trying to do, y'all. I'm trying to stop procrastinating. So if y'all can just bear with me while I get my little life together, I'm gonna start sharing videos with y'all guys. And also with my videos, I'm revamping my channel. I'm gonna have some sublimation. I'm gonna have some little bit of that, a little bit of that, family time. Also, I'm gonna have budgeting 101 with me my way. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm going to type my name, D-N, oh, yeah, D-N-I-S-E. I'm going to change that to, let's put in Killer Bees. There it goes right here. There goes, that's my name, Denise. Hey, I'm gonna change this color right here to red. And I'm going to go over here to my offset. I'm going to offset and I'm going to change this color to green. Outline to black. I'm going to go ahead and hit it one more time. Offset, and I'm going to change it to black. And make my outline black. Group it all together. Group, right click, hit group. I right click, I hit group. And it's all together. It's not going anywhere. And here it goes. And if you want to change up the color, make it more bigger, I'll show you how to do that. Go ahead and type my name one more time, D-N-I-S-E. Change that font to Killer Bees right there. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time. Okay, and I'm going to do this right here in blue. Go to my offsets and make this that color. And go to my offset again and make this purple. Get that 3D effect. Group it together. Group. And that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this little video right here. Wasn't too long, just a little short, quick tutorial on how to make that font pop. And remember, like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment in the comment section for me, please, sir and ma'am. And that is it. You know what I'm about to say. God loves you, and I love you too. Peace.
If you need something custom, call Niecy Custom, she gon' get it done. Like and subscribe, you gon' have fun. Anything custom, she gon' get it done. Ooh, ooh, ooh.